Probably not. I don't know where I sitting here. Just warm them up.
Oh, it is a lot of money.
Yeah.
But it's not like
Oh. Mirrors. Mirrors. Check your mirrors. It looks good. Well, I don't know. It looks like carbon fiber. Yeah, those are completely cold. I don't think anybody wrote, but okay. You follow me. I know a little bit how to ride it. You can ride it like this, Ethan. You have your helmet open, Marvin, dude. Close your helmet. Yeah. It looks good, the Daytona. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yep. Well, we're good. Hey, what's up? What's up, old man? Check your mirrors. Set up your mirrors. Oh my God, this thing is like it's so far. Yeah, say, it's like holy fuck. It's like nothing. Okay. The 800? That's okay. Go to your left. It's on the left thing. Got it. Watch out. Watch out. That's pretty cool. This one is also quick shifter. Nice. Nice. There's only 30 here, but you can kind of open it. And watch out if there any pops or something. Yeah. It's kind of, that's the only thing you can do, left. And there's a cop behind us, just so you know. But it flashes at 3,000, 4,000, it flashes to get the, but 800? You have to try the 800 compared to yours. Wow. It's like a Trident, nothing special. So we're gonna go around one more time, or 2 or 3 times over more. Sounds good. What's up, people? What the heck? I know, it's in the city, I know, but again, they let you ride it, you know. Oh, really? You want to go straight? Let's go straight. Oh, is it comfortable? Uncomfortable? Yeah. Go back to it. Yeah. Where are you? Oh, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Yeah, this one is fun, but I don't think I would shell out the money for a TRIDENT 800. Yeah. Yeah. The 660? Really? What's up with something here? Really? The 660 is 95? Wow. How much is the 800? Oh, really? so good. Let's jump on the different side.